Hi, I'm Ron Trucks, and before I go any farther, I want to stop and say thank you for joining me as we work our way together through this QuickBooks Online certification course. Why am I the one that's teaching you this? Well, I've been using QuickBooks since it was first invented in the 1990s. Along with that, I've been using it in my own personal company since then, where I work with small business owners and nonprofit organizations to help them understand their bookkeeping, their financial management, but also how to operate their business and help them learn so that they can wrap their head around everything. So we'll have 9 different projects. As you work through each of them, you'll be learning a different area or different content within QuickBooks Online. So I've kind of figured out some of the tricks, and I hope to use those tricks to help you understand QuickBooks Online as we move through this course together.